Have you ever wanted to build a house? KAMSC offers a class where you can build a house using everyday stuff that you might find in your recycling bin. You can be as creative as you want. We've got everything here from basic cardboard and duct tape birdhouses to teepees to cottages to working homesteads to apartment complexes and even castles. This class is for all skill levels. You will learn how important it is to measure very carefully. In architecture too, you'll be given a budget and you'll learn how to make a blueprint for your build. We hope to see you in 2021 at KAMSC Summer Camp. Why not check out your recycling bin today and see if you have anything in there you could build a house out of. You'll be a pro before you get here.